Hi, my name is Neches Phelps and I'm with the SPED Homeschool Review Crew. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you Sonlight's Level B HBL. HBL stands for History, Bible, Literature. I also have Language Arts and Science for you. All right, so let's get started. When I open up my box, it has this little congratulations, it's your Sonlight unboxing day. And then it says that it has a welcome video, and then there's an app that you can download, and it walks you through getting everything organized. Then it says step 3 is open and teach. Now I haven't looked at the app yet. I will review that for you in my next video. But I'm really curious and excited about it because I know that sometimes opening up a couple of boxes of curriculum can be a little bit daunting. So the fact that they have something that's going to walk me through, I really appreciate that. All right, there is a packing slip. Then there is the Sonlight binder. The Sonlight binder has tabs in here. It has 36 tabs because this does cover 36 weeks. And so you're going to put, it's my understanding anyway, you're going to put each weekly lesson behind every tab. And I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. It also has a magnet with the phone number and some contact information. So if you get stuck with anything as you're going through the curriculum, you can always contact them. And I think that what's always really nice about this is that it lets you know that you're welcome to ask questions. And they expect them, right? If they give you a magnet, you can put it on your refrigerator and ask whatever questions you have. I really appreciate that. And I think that sometimes when we have children with special needs, it's difficult to find a good match for our kids in regards to curriculum. So sometimes you can call and talk to an expert, and with just a little bit of tweaking, they can help you modify the curriculum and then really make it work. And so I appreciate this magnet. It also comes with some wet erase markers, which is my understanding are for the map. There is a Sing the Word, a New Commandment CD, which I'm sure will be for Bible. Okay, now let's start going through some of these books. It includes Greg's Microscope. So some of these are going to be readers that you're going to read with your child or that your child can read with you. And then others are going to be read alouds. Okay, so this one is going to be a reader for your child. And then one like this is going to be a read aloud. So you can tell the difference. This one is Ways to Grow Love. Catching Their Talk in a Box. The Year of the Baby. Owls in the Family. Little Pair. Detectives in Togas. Understood Betsy. Happy Times in Noisy Village. George Mueller, The Guardians of Bristol's Orphans. The Beginner's Bible. Homer Price. Goonie Bird Green. Henry Huggins. Charlotte's Web. Nate the Great. Usborne's Greek Myths. Frog and Toad Are Friends. Amelia Bedelia. Frog and Toad All Year. Mouse Tales. The Titanic Lost and Found. Pompeii Buried Alive. Owl at Home. Frog and Toad Together. And Tut's Mummy Lost and Found. Now, I should tell you that Level B is Intro to Ancient History. It's divided over 2 years. And so this is the spine for the year, and it's called A Child's History of the World. Around the World with Kate and Mac, a look at languages from A to Z. I picked the level 2 readers for my kids. So you do get to choose the level of readers that work best for your family. And so I thought level 2 would work for mine. And then in here are some comprehension questions, and it tells kind of a guide, tells you what to read when, what pages to read when. And these would be the pages that I'm going to put in the Sonlight binder. It also has some timeline figures, and they are on sticky pages. Like, to me, it's like the label page. And so what you would do is cut out your timeline figure and then put it on your timeline. This is theology. Intro to World History. So again, you see how all of your lessons are going to come in a pack like this, and then you're going to divide everything up and put it in your binder. This is an Usborne book, Time Traveler. And then here is your timeline book. And so in here is just empty pages of timeline, and that you can then stick your little timeline figures on. Here is the Usborne Book of World History. Book of Animal Poetry. And then here is the map. And it is a world map on one side, and it's laminated nicely so you can use those wet erase markers on there. And then a map of the United States on the other. It's really nice. Put that on my wall back there. All right, now let's get to language arts and science. Okay, this is Science Level B, Matter, Ecosystems, Earth Systems, and Engineering Design. And so again, same system. You're going to organize it by putting it into your Sonlight binder. It's the packing slip. Language arts, same system. Let's see, the magic school bus inside the earth. This is a DK book, plant. Let's read and find out. What is the world made of? I love that a lot of these books have pictures. We rely a lot on pictures in our homeschooling. The magic school bus at the waterworks. I also like that they're using magic school bus books because we are also people who like to incorporate videos, and so we can watch the magic school bus. So that will work for us. Marie Curie's Search for Radium. Another DK book, Earth. Okay, more science. Discover and Do Science, second grade experiments paper packet. I will tell you that when this came in the mail, my kids were really, really excited. because we don't do a lot of experiments around here. So when they saw that experiments were included and they were going to try this out to review it, they were circling the box. Like, they were just super excited. So I can't wait to actually like let them get started on this and then give you a good review. Because we've done a lot more nature study, not so much experiments. So this is going to be new for us. Okay, level B science experiments. And this has 36 experiments. So this is an experiment a week. I should also say that this is the 4-day-a-week program as opposed to the 5-day-a-week program, so you get to choose that as well. Okay, what's really cool is that it also includes your science supply kit, so that you're not running around looking for everything, having to purchase everything separately. I know that in the past, we haven't done many experiments because it takes a lot of time for me to organize everything, get everything together, and then I'm not the most organized individual sometimes, and so then things just kind of fall apart. So I really appreciate having a kit. And it has, just all kinds of things in here. From paper plates to soap to cups, a balloon, string. There's a compass in here. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And an Usborne book of animals. And an Usborne book of periodic table. And that concludes my unboxing. Like I said, look forward to my next video, and it will be our review. And I will let you know what my kiddos thought about it.